In this week's edition of the Business Review, we look at how the Seprod Group was able to overcome the total destruction of its warehouse. Here's Aisha Nation.
Manufacturing and distribution company Seprod has shown remarkable resilience in the face of adversity. The company faced a devastating blow when its main warehouse was destroyed by fire in October 2021. But now,
thankfully, we are now operational in here. As of October, November last year, we started distributing from here. And today is actually the first day the office staff will move into our mezzanine offices. So we're fully operational effectively today. And that's a tremendous achievement. The 2022 was very challenging because the effect of the fire was affected our entire availability of goods for almost the entire year. And we've gotten past that in a big way now. I think the fire, we've reached a stage now where we're confident that 2023 will be a really good year, a strong year. We have put that behind us. We've learned from it.
Losses were estimated at over $1 billion, while the company spent $2.3 billion to build the new space. Now the company is back on track for growth.
We're doing a significant spend to invest in the margarine plant upgrade. So that's a plant that produces like gold seal and chiffon and those type of things. So that upgrade will finish by the end of May this year, and that will allow us to not come back with the same products, but also expand on the range of products. So we'll be going to more butter type products, and different packaging, different packaging format, which is going to allow us to not just satisfy what I call domestic is the Caribbean demand, but also be able to supply the diaspora and the outside market, US, UK.
Richard Pandohi is the CEO of the Seprod Group. The manufacturing company, which started in 1940, has a number of business lines and distributes its products in 18 countries globally. Its recent acquisition of Trinidad-based A.S. Bryden has resulted in significant earnings. At the end of the December 2022 quarter, this amounted to $1.2 billion.
Bryden's Group will be 100 years old in October this year. This is an established company in Trinidad, almost the same size as Seprod. So we literally doubled in size in revenue. And that has been seen in the results subsequently. So a lot of the drivers for the tremendous increase in revenue and profit actually came from that acquisition. And you're not really comparing apples and oranges, so we have those numbers from June, but prior they didn't exist, right? So when you look at the numbers overall, we expect this to be a tremendous year for the Seprod groups. As it is right now, full year 2022 with doubled revenues.
And now the company has its eyes set on other opportunities in the region as it positions itself for further expansion. Already the largest manufacturer of food products in the Caribbean, Seprod carries over 50 locally produced brands. Mr. Pandohi says that the company's resilience demonstrates its commitment to growth and its ability to overcome challenges. Seprod currently has 3,200 employees. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.